Hi everyone, and welcome to my video about wireless charging pads. In this video, I'm going to talk about what wireless charging is, how it works, and why you might want to use one. Wireless charging is a way to power your devices without having to plug them in. It works by using electromagnetic waves to transfer power from a charging pad to your device. The charging pad has a coil that generates a magnetic field, and your device has a coil that receives the magnetic field and converts it into electricity. There are a few reasons why you might want to use a wireless charging pad. First, it's more convenient than using a cable. You don't have to fumble with cables or worry about them getting tangled. Second, wireless charging is more efficient than wired charging. This means that your device will charge faster and last longer on a single charge. Finally, wireless charging is becoming more and more common. Many new smartphones and other devices support wireless charging, so it's a good idea to get a wireless charging pad if you want to future-proof your devices. So, there you have it. That's a brief introduction to wireless charging pads. If you're interested in learning more, I'll include some links in the description below. Thanks for watching. Here are some additional points that you could mention in your video. The different types of wireless charging pads, such as Ki and PMA. The benefits of wireless charging, such as convenience and efficiency. The drawbacks of wireless charging, such as slower charging speeds and potential safety hazards. How to choose the right wireless charging pad for your needs. How to use a wireless charging pad safely.